In this video, we're visiting the Chef's Grill in Elk Grove Village, Illinois to try some of their Turkish and Mediterranean dishes. We'll take a look inside, watch the grilling and food preparation in action, check out the atmosphere, and of course, taste several dishes from their large menu. Everything looked amazing. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Wahid with Taste and Travel with Wahid. Today I am in Elk Grove Village. I am visiting Chef's Grill, a familiar name. Hopefully if you've seen this in my last episode that I did a shoot at the Halal Festival. I really enjoyed their doner kebab, so I wanted to come here and try out some of their other dishes here, guys. So I'm very eager to see and try some of their other dishes. So let's go and eat. As soon as you walk through the door, there's someone there to greet you and help you find a table. Right away, one of the first things that caught my attention was this large open food preparation and grilling area. It stretches from the left side towards the center of the restaurant, and you can actually see a lot of action taking place. The grills are going, the meats are being sliced, dishes are being assembled, and the staff is constantly moving in back and forth, either preparing food or taking care of their tables. You can definitely feel how busy this place is. Of course, I had to walk a little closer to the food preparation area because this is where all the action was happening. You can watch the meats cooking right on the grill, see the cooks preparing each order, slicing the meats, plating the food, and getting everything ready to go out to the tables. I always enjoy restaurants with an open kitchen like this because you can get to see your food being prepared right in front of you. As we move further inside, there's a large dining area with a combination of booths, tables, and chairs, so there's plenty of seating for families and larger groups. The restaurant has a really nice green color theme throughout, with plants hanging from the ceiling that gives the dining room a fresh and inviting atmosphere. And towards the back, there's also a large fish tank that really stands out and adds another nice touch to the overall decor. Now, the Chef Grill has a pretty large menu with plenty of choices depending on what you're in the mood for and how many people you have in your group. You can order individual dishes or put together several different items for the table and share everything family style, which is what I really enjoy doing at a place like this. I will say that some of the prices are a little higher compared to what other places, but after tasting the food, the quality, the flavors really stood out. Everything we tried was very flavorful. Before our main dishes arrived, they brought us complimentary assortment of dips along with fresh bread. There were several different flavors, including beet dip, eggplant dip, chickpea-based dip, and a chili-style dip. It was a very great way to start the meal and gave us several different flavors to try with the bread. Alright guys, the appetizers are here actually. The first appetizer is the bread along with some of the dipping sauces you can call it that they brought in. This one is made out of beans. This is the eggplant. This is the chili sauce is what I understand. And of course you're familiar with this, with the chickpeas, the hummus style. So with their warm bread that they brought out, I just want to make a quick taste test for you guys to see how each one of these tastes like really. They're beautiful colors too. So I just want to go ahead and take this. Bismillah. Yeah, definitely get that beef taste in there. I like beets. I've eaten beets, so I'm definitely I'm comfortable with eating some of this. It does have a lot of the yogurt type of a taste on it, and so basically it's really good. Next, I want to try the roasted eggplant. Bismillah. You get that roasty taste right away. It's got the nice creamy texture, and also you get that the peppers that they use in the mix of with the eggplants. Very neutral. Has a little bit of the flavoring in it, but it's really good. Next, I'm going to try the chili sauce. Nice, beautiful color here. Okay, you definitely do get that little bit of that chili spice levels with it, but it's not too spicy at all. But it's comfortable. It has a nice drizzle of olive oil on top. It's nice, good flavor, very good. Last, of course, is your hummus with the olive oil. Very familiar with this taste, guys. So it's definitely creamy. Get that flavor of the olive oil. Not too salty at all, but it's very neutral. Very nice. Very good. Just waiting for the rest of the food to arrive, so I'll catch up with you guys when the other food arrives. Okay? See you in a bit. Alright guys, the food arrived. I'm just waiting for one more item here, but the two items that they brought out fairly quickly, by the way, is the Adana kebab and the grilled chicken. So they both look delicious, so I'm just going to go in with the Adana kebab taste test for you guys. Look at this. Oh wow. Very tender. It just falls right off when I pulled it off here. So look at this. Okay, let's go try this. Bismillah. Oh wow. Very juicy, very flavorful, tender, nice and hot, right off the grill. But it is delicious, guys. It is absolutely delicious. Wow, very flavorful. I'm going to quickly try the chicken here that we ordered. I'm just going to go ahead and take a bite here for you guys. Again, very tender. Take a look at this. Okay, bismillah. Wow. Again, very tender, very flavorful, and it does definitely have that grill char combination going on. Guys, it is absolutely delicious. You can tell that they've actually may have taken the chicken and flattened the meat out so that it grills very tender. Look at this. Look at this. Oh wow. Just gonna take one more bite for you guys. You see the smoke coming out? Wow. Very delicious, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and mix some of the things in here, and I'm just gonna enjoy a little bit. I'll see you guys in a bit. So guys, as a part of the meal also, we ordered some of these little appetizer-like items. We've got the kibbeh, we've got the spring rolls, we've got the falafel, there's a potato patty that comes with it, and there's a mozzarella stick that comes with the two sauces. The white sauce is, obviously it's like a ranch kind of sauce, and you got the chili sauce with it. So I'm just gonna go right in, guys, and I love kibbeh. I've tried it before at Uzbekistani restaurants. I'm just gonna go ahead and break this apart, show you guys how it looks. Oh, you can see the steam coming out of there. Okay, let me show you guys. Look at this. It's very hot. So I'm just gonna go right in, and I'm gonna take a taste here, and with some little chili sauce. Bismillah. It's got the nice crust on the outside. A little chewy, but it's really nice and crunchy. It's very good. And you got the ground meat in there, and that ground meat obviously has some onions. I can feel it. I can taste it. But it's very nicely done. Very nicely done. It goes really well with the sauce, guys. So I'm gonna try the white sauce here. Cools it down, of course, with this sauce as well. A little different. If you like a little bit of spiciness thrown in, definitely prefer the red sauce, chili sauce, guys. And of course, you got the spring roll here. Oh, look at that. And you've got the mozzarella stick, and there's a potato patty that they give you. Look at this. Wow. This definitely has a nice crust on the outside. Nice and creamy, a potato in there. It looks like it's already has some of the spices inside. So I'm just gonna go right in. Bismillah. Now, I'm a little familiar with this type of a patty where, you know, a lot of the South Asian, people that we actually make something similar, but it has a little bit of a difference in the spice levels that they're using, the different types of spices. So, very good, very nice, good appetizers. Of course, everything enhances with a little lemon and on top with the potato patty as well. I will be doing that as well. So let me go ahead and try out some of these other ones, and I'll catch up to you guys after we're done with everything. Let's see you guys soon. So guys, I did want to try out their Turkish tea, their famous Turkish tea as well. So it's really nice and hot. I just added some little bit of sugar in here. It's very hot, so I'm just going to take a little sip here. Yeah, it's definitely, it's a Turkish tea. It's got the nice flavor. It's not overwhelming at all. Definitely will go down smooth, especially after a heavy meal like this. This is definitely something you should try. So the owner surprised me just now as I was trying out their tea. They wanted me to go ahead and try their desserts. It's got the nice chocolate cake here, along with quesadilla here. There we go. They both look so delicious. I have to try them. Look at this. Look at this. Bismillah. Wow. Very nice. Not overwhelmingly sweet. It was perfectly nicely done. It's got the nice milky texture on the bottom here. I'm going to try that chocolate here. It's nice and moist. Got a thin layer of chocolate on the top. It's got the little sprinkle of the pistachio there. Very delicious, guys. Very thankful. Thank you to the owner. Wonderful meal. What a great experience. The ambiance here is wonderful. Definitely, you can come here individually, you come here with your family, friends. A great atmosphere for you. So guys, we just got done eating here the dinner, and definitely what an experience. The food was very flavorful. It was well done, well prepared. The grilling was perfect. The flavoring was perfect. They are planning on opening another location in Glen Ellen soon, so keep an eye out for that. Definitely worth a visit for either with your family or friends here. I enjoyed it a lot. We definitely want to try other items when we come back here next. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It definitely helps with the algorithm, as you know. It really means a lot to me that you guys are giving me a good positive feedback and recommendations. So please continue to do that. And I'll see you guys in the next episode.